Hi, dear student. Today we are going to discuss about the online examination, and I hope you all are well. And you just see these all things, whatever be available in board when we share the topic. So first of all, you have to see it, and the sharing topic is here, which is your as you see on the board. So these all things, whatever you see here. 1 minute, wait. So come, we are going to discuss how you write with confidence the total online examination. What is the meaning of these all things? We are going to discuss about it. As you see, this is in green type of. This is the question paper, your first page. Okay. So first of all, I want to tell you when you entered in the classroom. First of all, you read the total instruction whatever we given, and instruction you can see from here. This is the instruction. If you want to view the instruction, you watch this portion is nothing but instruction whatever we here. These all are view instruction. You instruct where in a starting instruction automatically appear there, therefore instruction be there. But if instruction be not there, then uh, you can view here, be there, of course. Then you read thoroughly with concentration. When you read, after that you choose the language, English or Hindi. Then a box be there, and that box you have to click, and that you read and understand the all instruction. And then you move, you there is a button that is I am ready to write the exam, or I am ready for exam. Then you click, but time when the time is completed, your starting time, it automatically will start, but you have to also alert there. After that, you see on the board such things be opened on your desktop there. And here is the time, the left time, as you see, like this, it gradually going to decrease. After that, you see these all are responses. This is the question number, and these all are the section part. You see this I is what? If you this I is what? I, if you touch on the I, you get how many numbers of question. Whatever be here, you see here, you can see from this I is the I card, and same I is here. This is the 299, but here in your question written 221. Therefore, when you click on I, you get the total over all section, how many question you have done, you have answered, you watch this red line is the questions, how many questions you attempt in this section. This is the physics section, you watch here. This is the section 1 physics. So this is the section 1. You can vary according to the your choice, this section 1, section 2, section 3, and gradually you move. This is the arrow through which you can move and see any other section if height, and then you choose according to your convenience. It's better to start from the starting. After that, this is the section first, and how many numbers are question, uh, these all are shown here. Suppose in this case there are the 4 question, you watch here, only 4 question, therefore 4 question is here. In a starting, how many number question you see, it is mark on the red line. So this is the red line, means we see but we don't answer. Okay, but here one question is in red mark, therefore this green mark tell us that you answer the question number third. And same thing appear here, this is the things. But here only one question you attempt here, therefore one. If answer you 2 question or 4 question, here at this internal position here, the question is written, this is the 4 question like this. Similarly, in red section, three is available here, 1 2 3 3 you are not answered, therefore 3 is here. But there are 0, because these things appear here. You watch here, this is the at bottom portion, a mark for review and next. There are 2 cases. The 2 cases is that there is a 2 case here. You watch this first case is tell us, this is the question. If I want to read or we understand something and but don't want to answer, then you click here, then you will get these things appear here, this uh, kind of symbol. This is the blue and uh, violet colors. So you have to, but there is a violet but green book is here at the corner. It means that you answer but you have confusion. so you want to see later, therefore you see here this kind of things. How many question in this section only here which you answer but you want to review later, shown here instead of 0. Okay, 2 3 like this, here only 4 questions, therefore we already mentioned here. So this is the white color star box which tell us that this is the area where you are not see till this time how many question appear here. Okay, but when you see at least but not answer, these things appear with the red. So these all things, there are 5 mark you have to understand. First, this green, if you answered the total number shown here. If you not answer, total how many number of question you see but not answer shown here under this box. After that, these all box contain the information of the single section. Similarly, these all section appear here. When you click this section, these all things appear here. This total number of questions, suppose here only 4 question, but here 10 question or 6 question, then 6 question appear here. And these all with all the proper symbol, whatever use, 2 symbol from this side. Okay, 2 symbol from this side and 2 symbol from this side. Save and next means that either you answer or not, but you move ahead. If you answer and then save and next, then you see here as a 3, this is the green. But if you not answered, again you want to go the next question, then you see as a red. It's okay. So this is the things. After that, this submit question which you not seen here, this is the as a dark. So this question and this button appear whenever your time is completed. Suppose this time is 152 like this, or going to decrease. When it come to 0, it automatically appear and you have to click here to submit. Either you submit or not, it automatically be submitted as the internal system be work there, but you have to like this. If suppose you are by mistake fill the wrong what options, then here what is this, this is the option, clear it, and then you may move ahead. It's okay. So this is the things. So now we're going to show you in practically. This is the section number 1. Similarly, this is the section number 2. And you, if you click here, you see the total. What is this? You see the 000 mean that you neither touch this question, you're not open this section. So zigzagly, this is the chemistry part, this is the physics part, third section, 3 sections. So if I click here, the third portion is open here. So only one question number first is here we see, but this is the things. Okay, so if you click here, we wait. So you see, this is the question number first of section 3, and this is the section 2. Automatically open here. You see here the physics section 2, and this is the red mark because this is the first question. The instruction is given here, and this is the multiple correct answer, and you have to read it correctly. There are -1 negative mark is here given, but mostly -2 is given. You have to see keenly. Here only -1 is given. And so this is the question. Suppose this question you just come below. I want to answer this. This is answer. Okay, I click here. So we move on next. There are 6 question, 8 question in this part. So we answer it and we move ahead. So this is the answer. So you see one question is appear here, one question is marked here. Okay, and another question is just open with this is the question number 2, and then you move below as a cursor, you see the option. So this is the answer. We don't want to answer it, therefore we move ahead. So this is the another things, the third number question come, and this is the red mark has 2 because one is previously one. After that, how many question we don't show till this time? There is a 4 5 6 7 8, means 2 2 4 5 question. So here you see 5 question we are not see till this time, and you also see these things from there. This is the eye card. When you keep the cursor here, you see the 5 question you are not seen till this time. Okay, so these things is also by each individual we can see only one answer to each here. But when we click here at the topmost, you get the overall. 6 question you are not answered, 2 question you answered, and 46 you are not seen till this time, because this is the combination of physics, chemistry, math, and all sections included here. Therefore you can see, suppose this is the view portion instruction I already told you. Now you come, so this is the next. After that, this is the third question, and we want to answer this question. We answer here, this is the answer. And then I have some confusion, or we are not no answer, but we see here, we think I am not able to answer it. It is little bit very tricky and difficult question. So you just response it, mark for review, and next. So these things appear. Third number question tell you not answered, but you move ahead. So this is the like this. After that, next question 4 is appeared on our uh, screen, and 4 questions, suppose this is the answer, it's okay. So now answer, but I have some confusion, it may or may not. So again, right click here for mark review and next. So this kind of a small box with the green color appear here, this tell us you answer. Suppose in case at last time you are unable to answer and review, your answer is calculated, this answer evaluated, and the the system think you already answered. But if you are want to review, it's okay, but in hurry, suppose lacking of time you are unable to see it, then don't mind, whatever you have choose considered as a answer, like a green. But these things tell you this green and this green means this green is answered, so this green also tell us you answer. Both are, this green and this green both are same, therefore you can analogy both things, okay. So these things is here. After that you move next, and then what we see, this is the question number 5. And the question number 5, again we answered it, and then move ahead. So on to all things it appear, whatever the 5 question we see and we understand from here, this is the question number like this. And thus you can give the answer of all questions similarly. Suppose this is the question number 2, the third part is here, and the third section, which kind of section, this is the section here written, this is the numerical valued questions. You have to put or fill in the blanks. This is not negative, 0 marks for the wrong other. If you make any kind of mistake here, there are no negative marking. Therefore I advise you, it is better to attend these all questions, and there are 6 questions here, and total marks given here 18 marks is here. Therefore without any problem, you should attend this all. And here it is for 2 decimal, okay. So in some cases, in other paper, second paper, you will get, or this paper single digit entry, but here many digit entry. But after decimal you have to enter only 2 decimal after the truncate or round off. I hope you know these all things. And this is the answer box. So whatever answer you get after the calculation, suppose we get 45, 54, and this is the point. And after 2 decimal, this is the 2 decimal, then you submit and save. If you have some confusion, you mark for review, and otherwise you save and submit. So this is the final things as you see here, okay. So this is the things you can do it. After that, we see the first is the questions where only one option is correct. Second option, more than one option correct. Third option, numerical value you have to put. Similarly here is the, this is the chemistry part, and chemistry part we came and common chemistry part, this is the only one option here. And the second option, more than one option. Third one is what, this is the numerical value again. So this calculator is given here, you have to put this value, and this virtual calculator already available. And if you want to clear something you write wrong here, suppose by mistake we entry like this is the 12 21, but we have to write 21. Therefore first of all we do like backspace, you click like this, so you write 22 like this, okay. Or something you want to change here, something, so you want to delete one, you delete one, and backspace you write, suppose this is the 5 like this, and this is the forward again. And you want to clear these all things, then you put here clear, so on to all things is clear here, and you put your answer like this. So this is the answer. And suppose we are not answer, I have some confusion, so we put it in review box, and after answer but put in review box. So this is the things here. Chemistry, similarly, this is the math first, this is the math first, and the first is the only one option is correct here, so only 4 question here. Suppose we choose this is the right answer, and just but this is the wrong, by mistake we see we have to put the plus, but here is the minus sign. So clear the response, and you again below these things, and you put here +2, and then save and move ahead. Okay, so this is the thing. Similarly, only 2 section here, math, one section two. For third section you have to click here. So if you click, you got the third section, and third section is opened here. Now you see this is the numerical value. So this is the mathematical problem related with the unity value of the complex number. So suppose we got the value here 7 8 point after decimal you can put, suppose there are no decimal, only you get the exact value, it is better to put the 00. Okay, so at least this is the accurate, and this things is okay. So save and move ahead. Similarly, we put here something like this, and suppose we put here only 45, and then we save. So what, it's okay, because after point, after decimal there are no things, then it also accept. Okay, so you can also write there, no need to put 40 point 45.00. Suppose there are nothing, because it is time killing, therefore it is better to write only the 45 and move ahead, just save and move ahead like this. So these all are the questions you have to understand first of all these things. And these things tell us about the how many questions we answered. 3. So 3 is written here, you see in the this portion, whatever be shown here, 3 is written here. So what we see this is the this is the things. So here the 3 portion is shown, and these all are the like this. So you see only 3 till this time. We are not see 2 questions, so 2 is appear in this box here. Okay, and no question we review here, therefore it is on 0 0. One question we see but not answered till this time, that is appear on the board. Question number 4 is here. So like this. So these all are the things you have to do like this. After that, this is the responses, you just keep in mind and move ahead. Okay, so I hope you understand everything. Despite all, I'm going to tell you like this. This is the green, and everything. So whatever you watch or observes on the board, I already make it for the purpose to telling you how to use. Just we move the cursor view in the this is the English language, and you have to write this. These are all things for you, and you do the best in such way. Okay, I hope you all enjoy the session and you understand what which things is where. So you see it, and you properly the things. It say only the brief of the section. These things, how many question your attempt here mentioned here, what you have to responded attend here. This is the total questions shown here. How many questions? 6 7 8 9 10, whatever be. These things already shown. तो इस तरह से बच्चे आप सब कर लोगे. इस तरह से मैंने सब कुछ बता दिया बोर्ड पे. ये जो है इस सेक्शन के पूरे डिटेल बताएगा. इसके अंदर कितना नंबर क्वेश्चन है ये बताएगा, कि यहाँ से ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन आप जो जो किए होंगे, या तो आपने आंसर दिया है तो 2 बताएगा, या नहीं दिया है तो बताएगा, नहीं देखे हैं कितने क्वेश्चन इस सेक्शन के अंदर तो 1 बताएगा. यदि आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा लेकिन आंसर नहीं दिया, रिव्यू के लिए छोड़ दिया, लगता है हो जाएगा, तो ये गोला बताएगा, ये वॉयलेट कलर के पर्पल कलर के होता है. और जब आपने आंसर भी कर दिया फिर भी कंफ्यूजन है, आपको देखना है बाद में, तो रिव्यू ये दबा देंगे. बाय द वे लास्ट में ना कर सके रिव्यू, तो ये आपको कंसीडर मान लिया जाएगा कि चलो भाई ये, चूंकि यहाँ पे हरा होता है ये भी हरा होता है, दोनों मतलब एक आंसर के रूप में आपको इवोल्यूट कर लिया जाएगा. ठीक है, ये सब चीजें हैं. यहाँ पे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन होता है, यहाँ ऊपर क्वेश्चन नंबर होता है, नीचे क्वेश्चन, और ये मार्क फॉर रिव्यू का होता है. 2 यहाँ से आता है, यहाँ पे 2 करेंगे, या तो इसको देख लिया फिर आप रिव्यू कर देंगे तो ये आ जाएगा, या फिर आंसर कर दिया फिर भी रिव्यू कर दिया तो ये आ जाएगा. 2 क्लियर, कोई गलत कर दिया बदलना चाहते हैं क्लियर रिस्पॉन्स से, यदि इसमें से मान लीजिए सही आंसर है, आप नेक्स्ट करते हैं तो सेव एंड नेक्स्ट करते हैं तो आपका आंसर सही हो जाएगा, इसमें शो करेगा कि आपने इतना आंसर कर दिया। या फिर आप आंसर नहीं भी करते हैं, नेक्स्ट और सेव करते हैं तो ये आ जाएगा, इसका मतलब आपने इतना नहीं किया है। अभी सपोज ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, अभी नीचे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन 5 बचा हुआ है, 5 के 5 यहाँ शो करेगा इस सेक्शन का। ऐसे सारे सेक्शन यहाँ लाइन से लिखा होता है, जो सेक्शन चाहिए आप यहाँ से खोलो, इस बटन से आगे आगे करके देखो, पीछे करके देखो, जहां जाना है जाओ और आप करो। व्यू इन, आप किस में क्वेश्चन पेपर देखना चाहते हैं, इंग्लिश में देखना चाहते हैं, हिंदी में जो देखने वाला, यहाँ पे ये ड्रॉप डाउन है, यहाँ पे क्लिक करके हिंदी आएगा या जो भी भाषा आएगा आप उसमें देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन। ये चीजें हैं। आप उसके बाद यहाँ पे देखो, ये सब पे आई आई लगाया हुआ है हर सेक्शन पे, इस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो ये आई कार्ड बताएगा कि इसमें आपने इस सेक्शन, जैसे ये सेक्शन खुला है 1 में बताएंगे तो ये सारा इंफॉर्मेशन जो यहाँ दिख रहा है वो यहाँ से देख सकते हैं हर जगह से। ऊपर में भी देखिए जेईई एडवांस 2021 आई बना, वहां पे क्लिक करेंगे तो पूरे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ में कितना क्वेश्चन हुआ, कितने, यानी ये सारा चीज दिखाएगा। लेकिन अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक सेक्शन का नहीं होगा, पूरे सब्जेक्ट मिला के होगा कि आपने इतना टच किया, इतना बचा हुआ, इतना आंसर दिया, ये बचा, यहाँ से ये होगा, कितना टाइम है यहाँ पे, ये आप देख लेंगे पेपर 1। इस तरह से ये सारे चीजें करके आओ, अच्छा से जाओ, बिना टेंशन के जाओ। और ये मत सोचो कि मैं टॉप ही कर जाऊंगा या पास ही हो जाऊंगा, अरे जो होना होगा होगा, शांति से जाकर के बैठो, पढ़ो, दो। अभी जस्ट मैं अगला टॉपिक बना रहा हूँ, स्ट्रेटेजी ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन, उसमें मैं और डिटेल से बात करेंगे। ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये आपको अप टू डेट करना था, ये मुझे बताना था बटन वगैरह कैसे काम करता है, क्या करता है। आप इतना तक कॉन्सेंट्रेट रहिए, जस्ट अगला टॉपिक देखिए, उसमें मैं एग्जाम के स्ट्रेटेजी बता रहा हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ब्लेस यू, and go with positive attitude and write with cool and calm, and you will surely selected without any problems, so don't tension। आप नहीं भी पढ़े होंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप जाओ, जो भी आता है करके आओ और देखना, उसमें इलिमिनेशन मेथड वो मैं स्ट्रेटेजी में बताऊंगा। ओके।